me the woods. Yeah. You're in my domain now, motherfucker. It's pretty fucking epic, alright, mate. Good morning, guys. How the hell are you? I hope you're good. I feel great today. I am in the great North Pennines today. We get about, don't we, old me and Loza? So we're going to do a couple of waterfalls that I've seen here. Cauldron Spout, and the other one is High Force Waterfall, I believe. We stayed just where I am right now last night. Peaceful night's sleep here, lads. It was bliss. I only heard about 2 cars, which was great. So can't complain with that at all. It's a cold one today, as you can tell. Man's got the old body warmer on and the old woolly hat. I had to put my wig on because, you know, man's a bit bald upstairs. Yeah. Should we go and get on the road? It's about half hour from here to go to the first waterfall from where we are. And then the other one's just down the road. So let's get to it, shall we? So we have arrived at the High Force Hotel / car park where the walk starts. There's a signpost just over there that shows actually there's quite a few trails here to do. You can do a 2-3 hour trail, which I think goes through the woodlands, or just a quick half-hour one, which I think I'm going to do to the actual main waterfall. But it still goes through a small woodland, so hopefully we get some nice footage. So let's head on down there, shall we? Let's go! I didn't realise, but you have to pay to go and see the waterfall as well as pay to park. So I've just paid, it was £3.50 for an adult, but it's not actually open yet. So just going to now have another cup of tea, I think, and wait till 10 o'clock, because it opens at 10, and then we'll go down and have a look. Yeah, so you just pay in the actual hotel, which is next to the car park. You just pop into the pub there. Oh, it was lovely. As I walked in, obviously it's really cold at the moment, but then they had this really nice open fireplace with logs on it. Oh, it's just a really nice vibe going on in there. So we just started the little stroll down to the high waterfall now. And this woodland's a bit bleak now, isn't it? You can tell that season change is proper kicked in. It's just a bit bare. There's only like the pine trees. They've still got a bit of greenery on them. Autumn is pretty much surpassed now, sadly. No more nice colours. But I look forward to winter filming, actually. That'd be pretty cool. Try and get some nice snow if we get any. Some frost shots. Yeah, that'd be cool. I think I'm the only one here. I suppose it is November. People are like, fuck that. I ain't going to see anything in the cold. There it is then, people. High Force Waterfall. That is a serious volume of water coming down there, isn't it? Yes. Wood G King, mate. Sitting in this on my little wooden throne. King of the woods. You're in my domain now, motherfucker. Something really eerie about walking through all these woods with no leaves. They're still dense, you can't really see much like through it. It's been a lovely little stroll this morning. Quite enjoyed this. That's it. That's the end of the little circuit there. You were saying that the volume of water there is the largest in the UK?
Apparently so, yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah. I won't say definitively, but it's often put out that there isn't another waterfall with as much water flowing over it in the country as High Force. I mean, it was formed at the end of the last ice age, and actually, where the waterfall is now, is about 700 metres further upstream than where it was when it first formed. Wow! The reason why it's here in the first place is something called a windsill,
right? Which
is a geological feature. It's what we call an igneous intrusion. Volcanic material, magma from inside the earth, will squeeze its way, well, this is going back
a long time,
years ago, and then squeeze its way between the layers of rock. And because it was underground, it took a long time to cool down, so it became a very, very hard rock. It's basically basalt. Right. And that formed the top layer of the rocks in the waterfall, and it's much harder than the other rocks underneath it, which is sandstone and limestone. So they erode away quickly. Oh, I see. So that's how it's doing it. Yeah, it's a classic waterfall. Yeah. Blocks of the dolerite, the basalt, drop down, and that's what you can see on the floor of the waterfall, near the waterfall. Those big blocks of rock. Because the softer rocks, once they're in the river, they'll bash into each other and degrade. Yes. The basalt is so hard it doesn't do that. You know. Yes. So, quality that is. Yeah. Very knowledgeable, you, aren't you? Well, you try.
So we have now just arrived at the car park to the second waterfall. It's actually next to a place called Cauldron Reservoir, just behind me there, a massive reservoir of water. And the Cauldron Snout is about a 45-minute walk from here. I think this is the closest you can park to it. So we're going to see how we get on going over there. So on Google Maps, it looked like you could drive straight to Cauldron Snout, like literally to the front of this reservoir where it's obviously spouting down, but apparently you're not allowed to drive down that. So there's a road in front of me currently, which has got no entry. So that's why you've got to park in that car park where we was, and then there's a 40-minute walk to it. Oh, look at that, guys. I mean, that is wide, isn't it? The way it spreads right up. I can't imagine how many litres of water are just flowing down this every second. It's crazy. Oh, that is mental, man. Well, I didn't think there was a route down to the actual spout at the bottom, but there was. It was a bit slippery and naughty. It's not a great path, but we're down there, guys. It's not good with a dodgy knee either, I'll tell you that for nothing. But that is the widest point of the waterfall. Check this out. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video today, guys. Going to High Falls Waterfall and old Cauldron Snout. That is the widest waterfall I think I've ever seen, especially in the UK. It's pretty fucking epic, alright, mate. If you enjoyed this content today, guys, a cheeky little like or subscribe would go a long way, and I'd appreciate any support you show. Wink, wink. So thanks for watching, and as always, guys, don't forget to get your wag on. Work, adventure, and game. Mike out.